Hi and welcome to Redline Technologies. In today's video we are going to do an unboxing of the Logitech G Pro headset, and today's video is brought to you by Team Group Memory Products. Team is the preferred RAM brand for overclockers, gamers and enthusiasts worldwide. For more information, click the link below. Like I said, in today's video we are looking at the Logitech G Pro headset, and if you did not know, the Pro line is for gamers, and they have taken a look at some gaming people, individuals rather. They have a lot of teams mentioned here on the box itself, so if you're looking at them, it's ESL1, Detonation Gaming, and my favorite London Spitfires from the Overwatch League. So this thing doesn't have RBG or RGB or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have all those fancy stuff that you would normally look in when you're looking at a headset. This is very simple, minimalistic, and it gets the job done. As you can see, the box is very minimalistic, if not for just the gaming teams on the side, you know. And it's a plain black box. It looks nice, except for the back. I'm not saying it doesn't look nice at the back. It's very minimalistic again. One purpose, play to win. And I don't know if you guys can see all this detail here, but I'm gonna try and read out some of that for you. And okay, so it boasts a 16 decibel and 32 ohms, and it also has glass fiber in it, reinforced nylon, stainless steel, leatherette, Pro G driver, which is the driver behind all this. So it looks cool, sounds cool actually. It has its physical specs, and also talking about compatibility, it's not just for PC. PS4, Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, and VR. I don't know what VR is for. Like what VR? Like just Steam VR, or like VR in like. Okay, so what's in the box now? Here there are little things that says, oh wait, I missed this. It says it's certified for Discord, like what headset is not. Of course there's supposed to be a part where you're supposed to hang it, which is missing. Oops. Get the knife out, and I'm kind of excited. I don't know about you guys. Right, there's the part which is missing. Wow, okay, there's nothing else in the box. It's very minimalistic. Ah, that smells so good. Wow, this is very minimalistic. Feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon. I'm guessing that's the reinforced steel that they were talking about. No, sorry, that is reinforced nylon. That's probably that, but or that's leatherette. This is stainless steel. So I'm just going to put it onto my head and just see how it feels. Actually, the cushion actually looks pretty good as well in that. Okay, just going to try it out. So this is right, this is left. Wow, actually that fits pretty well. This is oddly more comfortable than my Sennheiser headphones at home. We might need to bleep out the brand. Oh, they swivel around, so you can just mount it somewhere and make it look cool. I like the logo. It's very minimalistic. There's no etching, nothing. It's on the same level. What else is in this box? This comes out, and here we go. Of course, there's the English one. I was about to say Indian. That's the English one. Here's the leatherette replacements that they were talking about. So that's pretty good. Not a lot of headsets come with in-box replacements. This is the mic and the cable and everything, so I'm going to get into that. It's a braided cable, and Seems pretty long for your pleasure. there's also the mic, which is funny. It looks funny. So this is what you need if you don't have a laptop and you're like PC master race and you need to have, you know, 2 jacks because master race. Oh, this is pretty cool. Feel official with this. And they have a wheel on it for your volume up and down. Now, I'm not talking about Logitech products, but products in particular with wheels like this, I've had bad experience. So I'm not really sure what I think about that, what I feel about that rather. But which side do you plug into the headset? This side. Plug that in there. Listen to the tick. Plug this in there. I don't know about you guys, but I personally don't think that the mic is suited for me. Like for me, it's not. I don't think it's long enough for me. Like I'd prefer the mic to come somewhere around here because I'm used to that. Could be also that. Okay, so I can hear positioning audio right now. I can really hear all the gunshots from those guys. And the closer I get, it's better. I'd like to get into a game and do a quick play of how it is. We're going to try that out. The sounds are very crisp. I can hear sounds far better than I hear it at home. In terms of comfort, I think these are a lot more comfortable than the ones I have at home, and a lot more comfortable than most of the headsets I've tried. I'm not sure whether it was just these headsets, these ear pads, but they were a bit warm, like I was feeling like stuffy because of them. So I don't think maybe it's just these ear pads that are not for a long time use. In terms of sound quality, I heard everything. I heard all the altis. I knew exactly where they were coming from. So that was a boost. Again, I personally think the mic is not long enough. Like I prefer it somewhere in the middle of my face, but this comes close, not close enough. Close but no cigar. Actually, let me just try out the mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2. Okay, so I just listened to myself, which is creepy. My laugh was creepy. First things first, a lot of headsets pick up a lot of sound where you can hear like the person breathing, and you know, sometimes asthma, you know, kicks in. You hear all that. With this, I didn't hear much of that. Like I heard my full stops, and you know, you have that thump when you stop a sentence. You have that, you know, last breath that goes out. That was there, but it was not overwhelming. It was nothing. You just knew that that person just stopped talking. And voice is crystal clear, by the way. So heads up to Audacity and heads up to the mic, even though it's not long enough for me. And this headset goes off for about 22,500 at our store right now. In a very quick conclusion, TLDR version of this, too long don't read, would be I really love this headset, and for the price, and it's minimalistic, no RBG, no RGB. This is good, and you guys should actually check it out if you're interested in buying a new pair of headsets. Christmas is around the corner. Definitely a good buy. Also, if you like this video, please do hit a like down here. Also, if you did not like this video, please do hit a like down here, and do subscribe to our channel if you love the content and you like to see more about tech. We also have other channels in gaming. Check those out if you like, and do drop by at our store.